The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo offers impressive multicolor printing capabilities, allowing users to explore a wide range of creative options with up to 8 colors. Its advanced filament drying system ensures consistent and high-quality prints by maintaining optimal filament conditions throughout the printing process. With a remarkable speed of 600 millimeters per second and a high-temperature hotend, this printer excels in efficiency and handles various materials with ease. The built-in camera and intelligent monitoring system provide users with peace of mind by ensuring precision and preventing potential disruptions during printing. The Anycubic Slicer Next and accompanying app enhance user experience by offering remote control, time-lapse recording, and access to a plethora of free model resources. Designed for a quiet operation at 44 decibels, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is perfect for home or office environments without causing noise disturbances.